Hi guys, in this video I'll show you what to do if your Roku TV keeps turning on and off by itself. Like a lot of people face this issue that their TV turns on and then it turns back off. Like they are not able to watch anything or enjoy the TV. So what you can do in this situation? So a lot of people already try different things, like they are kind of restarting, choosing different plugs to try if their TV is fine or not, and then they just restart their TV. And let's say you have not restarted, like first of all go to the settings, into the systems, and you'll be able to find this option called power, and power, in the power you'll be able to see the system restart. So make sure to try this one as well. This is the system restart, and once you click on that, like this is basically any kind of like software problem, if there is any, so it will be automatically solved, or if it has any kind of like software bugs, that will also be removed. And let's say that you're still not able to solve this issue, like as you can see, this is the guy, like community streaming expert on the community website of the Roku, so they just give the official solution. So make sure to try this one. Like this is the last one. If that doesn't fix, the factory reset you were describing requires you to hold the reset button, which may be behind a pinhole, for a minimum of 30 seconds. Like you will be able to find this reset button behind your TV or like inside of any corners, and like it might be a button or a kind of any hole. So make sure to press it for 30 seconds, and once you do it, you will be like your TV will be factory reset to its default settings. And once you do that, try if your problem is solved or not. And let's say you're still facing the issue, then you need to contact your manufacturer. Like this might be any kind of hardware problem, so make sure to consult any hardware problem fixer and he'll be able to fix all those issues. So make sure to try these solutions or just contact manufacturer at the end. That is all about what you can do if your TV turns off and on by itself.